స్వచ్ఛందంగా వచ్చినటువంటి కేయు నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటి ఆకాంక్ష గారికి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోని తెలియజేసుకుంటూ ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries on the desk and all my dear brothers and sisters. I'm glad to introduce myself, Akanksha. Today I'm here to speak a few lines about Diksha Divas. Today I'm standing here to speak about that one moment where one man's hunger awakened the hunger for justice in millions of people. About that one man who did not just shake a state, he shook the entire nation, and that moment remembered in the history, and that moment is Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao fast on to death. Today I am here to speak about KCR. He is not just a leader, he is a fighter. He is the voice of the voiceless. Today we got Telangana. It's just because of Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. On 29th November 2009, he simply sat down in Siddipet, closed his lips. He did not raise a sword. He did not pick up a sword. He did not threaten a violence. He just used his willpower. That willpower is the most powerful weapon on this earth. He proved that and he bought Telangana. And moreover, when he sat for fast on to death, KCR health was becoming worsening. It is becoming more deteriorating. Even though he did not stop, he told that I am ready to die for dignity if my people cannot live with dignity. He said, I want justice, I want Telangana, and he stood strong like a pillar. In this Telangana movement, when his health is getting deteriorating day by day, then doctors started begging KCR to stop this fast. Then leaders were pressurizing KCR. Even though KCR message was, I am not doing fast for fame. I am doing fasting for freedom of my people, to get Telangana equal opportunities, fulfill their promises. Today, Telangana, we are very proud of Telangana, and Telangana became a very proudful state. It is becoming the most fastest developing state. It became a model of welfare development. Today, each and every village, they are getting the drinking water because of Mission Bhagirath. It is because of KCR struggle. Today, there was tank restoration through Mission Kakatiya. It was because of KCR only. He used his willpower, sheer dedication, persistence, determination, and today we are enjoying the fruits of his pain. Today we are enjoying the fruits of his sacrifice. He left all his comfort zone. He resigned everything and started the struggle, and remembered as one of the greatest leader, not only in Telangana but all over the world. Because of his fasting, the nation watched his struggle. The nation watched his dedication. And then Delhi came down. Delhi trembled. Delhi shaken because of his willpower and his fast on to death. Then the central government on 9th December 2009, they bent down and bowed for the KCR, and then they announced that we are ready to give Telangana, and the process of formation of Telangana is going to begin now. That is because of Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. It's not just because of something for expecting power. He is the leader, he did not expect for power. He is the leader who took the pain of the voiceless people. KCR means it's not just about the speeches. He took the pain of each and every individual who is suffering in the Telangana, and he became the voice of the voiceless people, and today he is giving lot of opportunities. Today he initiated lot of schemes from Raitu Bandhu to KCR Kids. Today Telangana became a modern, developing, fast developing states. Hyderabad, a global IT powerhouse. Many people from all over the states, countries, they are coming and working here. It's just because industries, multinational companies, all are set up in Telangana, and Telangana is nothing less than any other state in the world. Finally, Telangana's CM Kalvakundla Chandrasekhar Rao said that if your heart is pure and if your cause is strong, then definitely you can do anything. I want to end this speech by reciting his ideology. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, when knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, tallest traveling stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the daily desert stand of dead habit. By Father, let my Telangana people get awake. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.
ఇప్పుడు